Segway Ninebot electric and kick scooter, all scooter lightweight, and easy portable. In this scooter once folded, AirT15 is only 8.7 inches in height. The folded body size is flat and compact. This scooter is ergonomically designed, for your comfort, with smart app connectivity. This electric scooter can be used independently, with your spouse anywhere. In this video I will review the top 5 Ninebot scooter electrics on the Amazon market. Scooter number 01, Segway Ninebot S2 electric kick scooter. This scooter is 15.5 miles range, and with a 15.5 miles per hour top speed. This scooter mechanical brake, and 8 F/7.5 R tires. It is sleek, lightweight, and features a convenient one-touch folding system. Carry it on public transportation, store it in your car, it can go with you just about anywhere. Scooter number 2, Segway Ninebot AirT15 electric kick scooter, lightweight, and portable. The unique, sleek, and futuristic appearance of the AirT15 makes it more suitable for urban commuting than other scooters on the market. The design is a perfect fit for the city lifestyle and is best for completing your last mile commute, carrying on mass transportation, and storing in cars. Scooter number 3, Segway Ninebot S1L electric kick scooter, lightweight, and foldable, upgraded motor and battery pack. The fine powder spraying process improves the anti-corrosion ability and makes the texture of the surface smoother to the touch. A clash of classic dark gray and vibrant orange, the most unique color combination. Note, wireless means the entire scooter design has no exposed wires. The link to the electric scooter shown in this video is given in the video description. Click on that link to go to Amazon and buy the desired electric scooter. Scooter number 4, Segway Ninebot Max electric kick scooter. I've owned the M365 for a while now and I love it. I just needed more range and that's where the Max comes in. This thing is a tank, very well made and very sturdy. You can tell this thing will last a while. Ninebot KickScooter Max by Segway is designed to be the most sturdy and powerful electric scooter. Scooter number 5, Segway Ninebot S4 electric kick scooter, with external battery. Experience greater power, range, and speed. Equipped with an internal and external lithium-ion battery, the Segway S4 kick scooter has a nominal capacity of 374 watt-hours, doubling that of the ES2, so you can travel farther and reach your destination quicker than ever before. Thanks so much for watching the video and staying with us. Stay tuned by subscribing to the channel.